Here is how to fill the health questionnaire. Go to Mapmygenome website www.mapmygenome.in. Log into your account. Click on My Test at the top left corner of the screen. Click on Kit Details. Tap on the Questionnaire button. Fill in the necessary information. The health questionnaire has 5 sections: personal details, a section for gender-specific information, clinical history, genetic history, and family health history. Make sure that you give the correct details about your personal and clinical and genetic history. After filling each section, click on Save and Continue. To assess your health history, we need to review your medical and family history so that your genetic counselor could give you necessary recommendation. Don't forget to save and continue. All the information will be confidential. After entering all the details, click on the Submit button so that your information is finally saved.